Once upon a time, there were 6 blind people who lived in a small village. They were told many stories about the elephant, but they have never seen an elephant before. So they were really curious to see the elephant and learn more what the elephant is. One day, a merchant came to the village and he brought with him an elephant. So they approached the merchant and requested they kindly check the elephant to see what the elephant is. They approached the elephant and each one of them took a corner. So upon requesting that from the merchant appreciated that they can get closer to the elephant and check what the elephant is in reality. The first blind man touched the trunk of the elephant and said, "Well, the elephant is like a snake, long and flexible." The second blind man approached the ear of the elephant and touched it and said, "No, the elephant is like an ear, thin and flat." The third blind man said, "You are both wrong. The elephant is like a tree, long and rough." The fourth blind man approached the side of the elephant and said, "You three are wrong. You're completely wrong. The elephant is like a wall, flat and sturdy," while the fifth blind man touched the tusk of the elephant and said, "Everyone here is wrong. The elephant is like a spear, sharp and dangerous." The sixth blind man approached the tail of the elephant and said, "Now I can touch it and feel it, and I can tell 100% that all of you are wrong, because the elephant is like a rope, thin and flexible." Each one of the blind men argued and debated and offered so many reasons and sat and argued for many hours, trying to convince each one that his opinion is the right one and everyone else is wrong. They argued and debated for many hours, and each one of them tries to say, "I am the correct one," presenting his interpretation of what he touched without seeing it. The moral of the lesson is people disagree all the time because they have different perspectives based on their knowledge, experience, travel, and contact with people. It's really important to listen to people's perspective and carefully analyze what they want to say without being judgmental on what they say, even if that differs from your own opinion. We should not dismiss other people's opinion just because they disagree with our own perspectives, as we may only see a small part of the bigger picture. Some people might not be able to see the forest for the trees. And always remember, only by combining all of the perspectives of people around us can we get a better picture and understanding of the world around us. Thank you very much.